Okay, folks. 3 weeks are officially done now. We are beginning week 4. That means that tonight at 10 p.m., Module 2 will close. So Unit 2, Module 2 is done at 10 p.m. tonight. You have to have all the inquisitives, the discussion board posts, all the work for Module Unit 2 has to be done by 10 p.m. tonight. Okay? And this is your stern warning video. You have to do the discussion boards. As I look in there, I see there's some work that's not being done quite yet. Some of you have discussion or have inquisitives you haven't finished. That's okay. Missing an inquisitive quiz isn't a disaster. I mean, it's giving away 15 points for free, and I would not recommend that you do that. But it doesn't automatically, cause problems in the class. The discussion boards, though, because these are online classes, we don't really have a lot of work, in a face-to-face, in a classroom setting. I don't have exams or things like that I give you. The discussion board is absolutely crucial. And as you look at the syllabus, you have to participate in discussion boards. So if you just take a discussion board off, that is cause to fail the course, all right? Do not just skip discussion boards. That's not allowed in here. So make sure you get on, make sure you make at least 3 posts, make sure that it's at least 500 total words. The discussion boards are 50 points apiece and are absolute grade crashers if you don't take them seriously. So get onto the discussion boards early, post often, get the maximum points, make sure you're using the primary sources. Do not take the discussion boards off. You cannot do that. That's not allowed. So make sure you wrap up all of the Module 2 work today. Module 3, Unit 3 material started this morning also. So if you've already eaten up all the stuff for 2, go ahead and jump into 3. Start reading those chapters. It's a two-chapter modular unit, so a little bit less work than last time. But we're starting to get into some really interesting material. So take a look at those. Go ahead and start considering the inquisitives. Look at the primary sources for the discussion boards. We're moving into that routine now, those middle units, modules, that the introduction talked about, that these are 2 weeks apiece, but they are very routine. The inquisitives are there, the discussion boards are there, routine participation is expected, so go ahead and get involved in those. But make sure that by 10 p.m. tonight, you have all of your work done for 2. After tonight, that module Unit 2 will be closed. You'll be able to go back and look at those discussion boards, but you cannot participate or add anything more to them for grade purposes. Okay? So have a great week. Keep up the work. We're between 20 and 25% done with the course. Spring semester goes really fast, and it is. We're almost halfway to spring break. By the end of this week, we will be 25% of the way done with the class. So stay on top of the material. Again, if you have any problems, get a hold of me. If your inquisitive grades aren't showing up in the grade book, contact Norton's support or let me know so that all those grades get added in the right place. And have a good week.